Congratulations, you finished lesson 3, relationship skills.
Woo!
Woohoo! In this section, we touched on the idea of genuine choice and control. This means that you give them the option to have a choice. They have control over their own choices. You allow them to do tasks. And we see genuine choice and control in some of the things we learned in lesson 2, modeling binary questions.
We also talked about the role of status and putting the individual that you are communicating with on equal or higher status than yourself, putting yourself at equal to or lower status so that you are always instinctually giving them that genuine choice and control.
Mm-hmm. Next, we talked about offer and invite. This was offering something in an appealing way, inviting them to join you to do this thing. Remember, it's not always going to be an appealing thing you need to try and get them to go along with you to do, but if you remember the sell them your shoe game, this will help you remember how to offer something that might not seem appealing, but make it appealing, and to change your approaches if need be, to continue to make it appealing, to invite them to come along with you.
Then we also discussed yes and. The act of acknowledging what somebody has said or done and then adding to it to show that you are on the same page. And even using it in situations where normally you'd say no, but instead redirecting it and using it as a yes. And one great example of this was during our lesson on yes and, where we were doing a shared memory game and I by accident turned it into a shared story. Miranda yes-anded it and we turned it into a shared story so that I didn't feel so bad.
And those are the relationship skills. These are just kind of another level that you can add on and think about when using your interaction skills and approaching all of this. That's lesson 3.
Booyah.